Welcome to Stock Coney, your favorite channel for market insights. In today's video, we'll analyze and compare the quarterly financial performance of Indian Oil Corporation Limited (IOCL) and JK Tyre Industries Limited. We will focus on three key metrics: total revenue, net profit, and earnings per share, and compare the results for September 2025, June 2025, and September 2024. Indian Oil Corporation Limited. For the quarter ended September 2025, IOCL reported total revenue of 178,628 rupees crore, compared to 192,341 rupees crore in June 2025 and 174,976 rupees crore in September 2024. This indicates a quarter-on-quarter decline of around 7%, but a year-on-year increase of 2%. IOCL's net profit for September 2025 stood at 8,191 crore rupees, higher than 6,808 crore rupees in June 2025 and a remarkable turnaround from a loss of 449 crore rupees in September 2024. This represents a year-on-year growth of 388%, reflecting improved operational efficiency and better refining margins. Earnings per share. The company posted an EPS of 5.54 rupees for September 2025, compared to 4.83 rupees in June 2025 and -12 in September 2024. EPS showed a quarter-on-quarter rise of about 7%, and a strong year-on-year recovery from negative territory. JK Tyre Industries Limited. JK Tyre reported total revenue of 4,011 crore rupees in September 2025, compared to 3,869 crore rupees in June 2025 and 3,622 crore rupees in September 2024. That marks a quarter-on-quarter growth of 4% and a year-on-year increase of 11%, driven by steady demand in both domestic and export markets. Net profit for September 2025 came in at 227 crore rupees, up from 163 crore rupees in June 2025 and 140 crore rupees in September 2024. This represents a quarter-on-quarter growth of 39% and a year-on-year rise of 59%, reflecting improved margins and cost efficiencies. Earnings per share. EPS for September 2025 stood at 8.08 rupees, compared to 6.03 rupees in June 2025 and 4.93 rupees in September 2024. This shows a quarter-on-quarter improvement of 34% and a year-on-year growth of 64%, highlighting strong profitability growth. IOCL delivered a strong turnaround in profitability, with net profit and EPS showing significant recovery despite a slight drop in revenue. JK Tyre maintained steady revenue growth and continued to expand its profit margins, supported by operational efficiency. Both companies reported healthy results for September 2025, with IOCL leading in absolute earnings and JK Tyre showing strong percentage growth in profitability. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Stock Coney for more detailed company performance reviews.